Alright, so in our class, we already discussed yung sum and product of roots. Okay, so sum and product of roots. So for example, you have the roots r sub 1 and r sub 2. Pag sinabi nating sum, yung operation dun is, di ba, addition. And then product, the operation is multiplication. So we add the roots and then we multiply the roots for sum and product. Okay, may kinalaman siya dun sa coefficients and constants. Yung a, b, and c sa ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, ang sum is negative b over a and then the product is c over a. So, paano yun natin i-apply? So, for example, in number 1, x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So, ang a natin is 1, ang b natin is negative 5, ang c is 6. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin sa sum, okay, so sum, okay, r sub 1 plus r sub 2 equals negative b over a. So, this is just negative, okay, so negative 5 over 1. So, the answer is negative times negative 5. So, that's positive 5 over 1. So, that is just 5. So, that is the sum. How about the product? Okay, so sa product, we have r sub 1, r sub 2 equals c over a. So, simply, it's c is 6. Okay, a is 1. So, the answer is just 6. Okay, so we do the same for number 2. For number 2, we have A equals 4. Okay, so dito, wala tayong B kasi wala yung X. So, that would be B equals 0. And then C equals negative 1. Okay, so, sum is, okay, so R sub 1 plus R sub 2 is negative B over A. So, that is negative 0 over 4. So, that is just 0. Okay? And then product, we have r sub 1, r sub 2 equals c over a. So, that would be negative 1 over 4. So, that is just negative 1/4. So, that is how you use sum and product. Okay, so let's have more examples. Okay, sorry. Buburahin natin to. Hindi ko pala nabura. Alright. Okay, so we have 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. So, ano yung a, b, and c? So, a equals 3, b equals 4, and c equals 1. Okay, so sum is again r sub 1 plus r sub 2 equals negative b over a. So this is now, okay, what? Negative 4 over 3. So the answer is negative 4/3. Okay, so tanggalin natin dyan yung negative. So that would be negative 4/3. And then product is r sub 1, r sub 2 equals c over a. So, that would be what? Equal to c is 1, okay? And then over a, which is 3, so that is just 1/3. So, that is the sum and product of 3x squared plus, sum and product of the roots of 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Sum and product of the roots. Okay, what if you're given something like this? Pabaliktad naman. You're given the roots and then you're going to solve for the equation. So, gagamitan din natin siya ng sum and product. Okay, so the first one, okay, so 4 and negative 5. Okay, so paano natin yun gagawin? So, dun sa first one, okay, so sa first one, we have r sub 1 equals 4 and then r sub 2 equals negative 5. Alright. Okay, so kanina, alam natin negative b over a siya. So, we have r sub 1 plus r sub 2. Ito yung sum, di ba? So, this is 4 plus negative 5. That would be negative 1. Okay. So, and then r sub 1 times r sub 2, okay, equals 4 times negative 5 equals negative 20. Okay, anong gagawin natin dyan? Ilalagay natin siya as, okay, yung equation. So, magkakaroon ka ng x squared, ilalagay ko ng ibang kulay. Okay, so x squared minus, okay, negative 1 x minus 20. Kasi, yung gitna, di ba, negative b over a. So, gagawin mo, papalitan mo ng sign. So, minus yun. So, this would become x squared plus, okay, plus 1x. So, it's just x minus 20 equals 0. So, that is your answer. Okay, for number 2, we do the same. Okay, so r sub 1 plus r sub 2 equals, okay, 2 plus 1/3. Okay, so from our previous grades, alam natin kung paano mag-solve. So, gagawin natin common denominator, which is 3. Okay, so this is 2 over 1, di ba? Okay, 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 2, that is 6. Okay, plus 1, okay, equals over 3. So, this is 7/3. Alright. And then, r sub 1, r sub 2, that is the product, we have 2 over 1. Ginawa ko ng ganun, and then 1/3. So, we have 2/3. Okay, so ganun din yung gagawin natin. Okay, so we have x squared minus, okay, minus hindi plus ha, kasi nga negative b over a. Okay, 7/3 x plus 2/3 equals 0. Ngayon, meron kang 3 sa denominator. Yun yung magiging a mo. So, yun yung magiging a natin. So, we multiply by 3 both sides. Okay, so dito, magkakaroon ka ng 3x squared. Pero itong 3 tsaka yung 3, magka-cancel yan. So, that would be minus 7x, okay, plus, ito din, magka-cancel yung 3. So, this would become 2 equals 0 times 3 is just 0. So, your answer is 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0.